These 3 cooking tools will make you the most popular person. If you are girl, hit the like button, or if you are boy, make sure to subscribe. Number 3. The Bubbler Pro is an awesome travel buddy. It's small, light, and easy to use. It's built to run smoothly and save you so much time. Number 2. This cylinder bot is super easy. Just hit the button. It's a total game changer for anyone looking for a faster, simpler way. Number 1. This cooking tray. Most trays are pretty basic, but this one is next level. It's your all-in-one sidekick, perfect for loading up cones, or just use it as an everyday tray. And you can get your fave cooking tools in my bio.